Hi, my name is Karen D., CEO and founder of Inner Being LLC, a wellness company based in Westchester, New York. Join our team of wellness educators as we facilitate a wellness series of workshops that will leave you feeling rested, refreshed, and inspired. As social emotional learning facilitators, we know the value and the importance of making time to practice self-love, self-care, and self-kindness. Our workshops will include yoga, mindful movement, spoken word, a sharing circle, and to seal it off, we will end with an intention-setting ceremony where we will hold safe and supportive space for each other to manifest our very best lives. Participants will leave with wellness tools and techniques that will serve them way beyond the yoga mat and that can easily be implemented into their everyday lives. 2 lucky participants will receive a complimentary private session with one of the yoga instructors here at Inner Being LLC. Please feel free to visit our website at www.innerbeing.yoga to meet our instructors, and feel free to follow us on all the socials. We cannot wait to share this wellness journey with all of you. Come with an open mind, leave with a full heart. Namaste.